Alright guys, so ang problema namin ngayon is parang hindi kami makakain kasi hindi maluluto yung lechon belly kasi it's starting to rain. Grabe yung dalugdog guys, and ang problema natin is baka hindi maluto yung lechon belly. Okay guys, so yeah, do you hear that? That is thunder guys. That is thunder. So
tanggalon ang
안녕하세요 여러분.
tanggalan na
So
ano?
we will be cooking
Uling.
our
Asang uling? Ana, pwede ray, ana.
lechon belly roll.
Dili para man ni para dali siya mubaga sa tanggalon na nato niya.
sa tagana.
Parat nagsip tay. Ya dali lang. Kuya, kuasa ni.
Kuasa di
Day. Mabali ya ha, mabali ya, maluoy ka.
So let's have a tour ng ating campsite at the moment. So medyo messy ang Team Fuyu kasi madaming newly washed dishes, electronics, tsaka na nachos kung gaya. And here ang mini camp namin, it's giving Coachella. Ito ang aming home ni Mother for the night, and ayan ang home ni Vaughn for the night. Sige lang ML. Alright, and let's move on. Ayan,
Yeah.
it's time to start lighting the coal.
Yeah.
Uy, daghan na si uling oy. Lalawi. Ano man na. Agay, what are you doing?
Guys, ang nakikita nyo dito, itong tatlong tao ito.
What are you simpletons doing?
Para lang mo ano, layo pa kayo no.
Alright guys, so update, it's around 6:30 in the evening. Medyo late dumating yung lamig but it's already cold. Biting cold na siya. You can feel it in your face already. So we're currently waiting na maluto yung aming first time namin na trinay, and then experimental namin is nagluto kami ng lechon belly as what I said kanina. So ito na yung update. Very makeshift guys. Ayan, sponsored by Nature Hike. Charot, hindi. This just goes to show the versatility guys. Ayan, Nature Hike yung gamit namin para makapagawa ng spit for this. Kasi wala nang iba walang ibang magamit, so yun yung isip namin, and we believe in the quality of Nature Hike. Baka naman. Alright. Wow, alright guys, sana nakita yun guys. Kita niyo yun. We have a hindi, dala ko. Nasa loob na. Ayan. So update lang kami mamaya guys. Malamig na talaga. Ayan, so everyone's even si Kuya Mac Vlog, sabi niya kanina anuhin niya yung lamig, pero ngayon tingnan niyo guys, so wala na. Succumb to the cold. So yeah, that's how it is here. Malamig na talaga. Even I think my breath, no? It's yun. Fogging up na. It's really cold already. So update tayo mamaya.
Ano ang dai ang iyong tusok kanina. Pero meron no, may part na gana na oh. Hindi yan, ito. Yan.
I think it's medyo mahirap na makita ako, but natapos na natin ang There are parts na hilaw but may parts na hindi. Pero first time namin to guys. So
Dili hilaw.
Dili hilaw eh. Dili
Ay,
hilaw.
wait lang.
Dili na hilaw.
Ay, dili dahil hilaw.
Hindi lagi yan hilaw.
Uy. May part lang.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi siya hilaw.
Hindi siya hilaw. May
Ganun
part
talaga ang itsura niya.
lang siya. Why don't you leave it in the comments kung hilaw ba yung aming lechon belly or hindi? Sabihin nyo kami kung ano yung tingin ninyo. Basta sa aming mata guys, masarap siya guys. Wala na kaming Guys, it's already 8. So gutom na. First bite for today with the lechon belly. Uy! Yeah, crispy ko diya. Hala ka? Wow! Wow! Guys, nasasabi ko lang sa inyo guys, you gotta try this guys. Order lang kayo and then tiyagaan nyo lang talaga guys. Wag lang ma-discourage.
Discourage tayo guys.
Na-discourage kami pero we persevered guys. Yan. Sarap guys. Grabe.
Told you.
Hindi, hello guys.
It's good. It's good.
So yummy.
Dili ba ingon na well done?
Tangan tahag rice dire.
Pwede. Oh, gusto mo
Kumpare mo pa na.
on rice. Careful.
Alright guys, so it's really cold already. It's already kakatapos lang namin ng kain. As per nakita nyo sa video, sobrang sarap guys ng niluto namin na lechon belly. It's the first time we tried to cook the lechon belly, but pretty good job naman. Alright, so for those of you who plan to cook, pag mga outing ninyo, go ahead and try it. It's just time consuming, medyo tedious lang yung paglagay sa yung sa amin in our case we used a short or a small and thin bamboo pole. So sa inyo pwede naman you can use a different but yun lang yung mahirap lang doon is yung pagtali talaga. But the rest naman it's just really time consuming yung when you turn it, you need to turn it constantly, and yung pagpa-crispy ng skin kasi yung sa amin hindi ganun ka-crispy yung ibang parts, but there are parts na na-crispy. So very masarap talaga. So yeah, we'll update mamaya kung anong next namin na gagawin. We'll probably do a bonfire and have maybe some s'mores and some maybe hot chocolate mamaya kasi malamig na talaga. Alright guys, so it's bonfire time. So I don't think we can cook s'mores sa ganito kalaki na bonfire. Doon lang kami babalik sa grill mamaya guys, mag s'mores kami. Actually pwede din naman dito later. So let's see. Starting to acclimate a bit to the temperature. Medyo nakakaya na. Pero still malamig. To be fair, I'm talaga ako full jacket. So yan. Catch you later. Alright guys, so the campfire is pretty much done. So when the campfire is done, it's time for s'mores. So yan guys, magsus'mores tayo. S'mores. Yan guys, Goya lang muna, hindi Hershey's kasi naubos na yung budget guys.
Mine pwede.
Yan guys. Yan guys, so give up na si Mr. Motoholic guys. Si Motoholic Vlog. Tugnaw or cold. Sa mga hindi nakakaintindi, tugnaw is malamig. Yan guys. Making s'mores. Kaya gagawa din tayo ng s'mores natin guys. Let's make our s'mores too. So that's what we want. Kulang pa. Good roasted s'mores. Ito nyo, daan natin yung ilaw guys, medyo malakas. S'mores. Good.
S'mores, guys.
S'mores. S'mores gaming. How's the s'mores, Maggie? I think you really like it because your mouth is full of s'mores already. Yan. S'mores. And hopefully we're gonna do some light trails mamaya. Nakapag light trails sana tayo. Grabe yung stars, ang ganda ng stars. So I'm gonna show some of the star photography that I did while I was here. So yeah, show ko sa video. So tingnan nyo mamaya. Alright, so catch you later. Guys, so update, nakakatapos lang namin mag karaoke. I think they're still gonna have some karaoke, but we're gonna set up I'm gonna set up my tent. It's really cold right now guys, honestly, kasi actually hindi naman siya ganun ka lamig, but the problem is the wind. May constant breeze. This is what we call a wind chill. Normally the cold doesn't really get you, but the wind chill does. If you watch yung mga survival, mga outdoor channels, that's what they really say. Normally what gets you, or what gets you to hypothermia is actually the wind chill, hindi yung yung mismong cold na temperature. So it's really cold and hinihingal pa din tayo kasi quite high up na. So yeah, gonna set up the tent. So dili ma may double time tayo guys kasi medyo it's really getting cold. So ayan guys, as you can see, I folded the ground tarp inside. So kapag uulan, yun yung tip dyan when you're setting up a tent. Actually, the ground sheet shouldn't be over your tent. Dapat nasa loob siya para hindi so that the water won't go in sa ilalim ng between the tent and the ground sheet. Alright, so now that the tent is up, yung inner tent is up, we're gonna put the fly sheet. Alright guys, so to lessen condensation, we need to top each ends of each sides of the tent. Right, so is this one 20-degree bag, It's my first bag from Decathlon. I don't think I need, or I will need, any bag with a lower temperature than this. So a temperature rating than this for now. I don't think bababa naman ng 20 degrees tonight. Yan, I normally place it first ganyan, parang duvet lang muna. Then kapag sobrang lamig na, I will close it later. Right, so that's pretty much my sleeping essentials. I'll bring the GoPro inside in a bit. I also normally bring my power station here with me inside, especially now because I've gotta record a lot of things. So my EcoFlow has been charging all day, and then tayo, okay, we're at 91%. Other things here, I also have a pillow, this one, compact pillow. You can compress it, still from Decathlon. Decathlon has a lot of good stuff, good camping gear, especially kapag nagsasale. At yun lang nga, it's just sa Manila yung kanilang store, sa SM, sa MOA elevation. So I'm gonna tidy up a bit here and gonna catch you maybe in the morning. Alright, so cheers.
So, good morning. Had a good sleep last night. Hindi na nga nakapag time lapse ng sunrise, pero cloudy din naman. Nose is a bit stuffy. Still malamig masyado. I think I woke up around 2 a.m. last night. Hindi pala complete yung sleep ko. But I went back to sleep kasi it was really foggy outside and really cold. So right now it's really cold. Still, it's around I think 8 a.m. na, I think, in the morning. So they're cooking breakfast already sa labas, and I'm gonna start fixing up the tents. Pero mamaya pa kami alis para liligpitin na naman yung mga tent una, kasi madaming gamit dala. Right, so have breakfast first, just give an update later. So last night, nakabukas lang, diba? Yeah, I don't know if you remember, I just opened my sleeping bag before going to bed. But maybe around 12 a.m. I think, medyo biting cold na talaga. So I already went inside my sleeping bag, as you can see. I already went inside my sleeping bag. Yeah, so right guys, so basically it was a good sleep also because walang condensation. It's because this is a double layer tent, so my inner tent, if makita nyo, with this inner tent mesh, yan, and then my fly sheet sa labas. Yan yung benefits ng ganito na tent, kasi hindi siya magko-condensate. Ayan, di ba? Nakita nyo. This is the mesh layer, and then sa labas yun yung fly sheet. So yan. The benefit with this is kapag kahit ulan, talaga siya. Actually, most tents are actually really waterproof naman. Pero yung problem is, ba't siya, yung iba pag malakas na yung ulan, ba't siya nababasa sa loob? The main reason why it gets wet inside is because of the condensation. Kasi it's only one layer, which is yun na yung mismong wall ng tent. So ang nangyayari is like, kasi basa yung labas ng the outside of that wall is wet, and then it's quite warm inside because of the body heat, our body heat. That's why it causes condensation, and kaya nababasa sa loob. But actually it's not really the rain unless it's an old tent, kasi then you'll need to patch it up. But yung mga ganito, gaya ng ganito, separate yung ano talaga, yung tent from the inner tent, yung fly sheet from the inner tent. So ano siya, it's good kasi hindi siya mag-condensate, there's no condensation rather, and then kapag umuulan still walang condensation, separate talaga siya, and presko sa loob, malamig even if it's not really cold weather, it's not hot inside kasi may spaces, you know, may gaps for air to go in. Alright, so yeah, yun lang, just quick insight on my tent that I use. This is just a single person Desert Fox tent. Bought it on Shopee. Alright, so I'll just link the description. Maybe I'll just link the this tent to. So basically yun, I'll just link this, ano tawag nito, I'll just link the this tent down below. I just bought it from Shopee. Alright, so yeah.
Kinsa tong board patungan gahapon dito. Dapat ya.
Cut distribution system.
Yan guys, so there's a lot of low-lying clouds today.
Kabaligyan kami.
Sa ingon? Ako, kailangan mo ulit.
Yeah, so madaming low-lying clouds today. It's really cold also in the morning. So yan yung tent, niluto na pancakes. Oh, sige. Oh, lagi. Yan guys, so may niluto na pancakes. Blueberry chocolate pancake. Tunog.
That's the first one, good. Ang isa ito.
Yung first one pala yun guys.
Nakay-picture sa lechon pagkaluto. Ay daghang nangutana kay basig palpak daw walay picture.
Yan guys, so we already also cook for brunch yung lechon paksiw niluto ni Mr. Motoholic Vlog. Nandito guys. So this is their kitchen setup. Yan talaga convenient kapag pick up kasi you basically have a table handy. Yan. Ayan guys, oh my gosh, ang sarap lechon paksiw. So abangan natin mamaya during our brunch. The one problem kapag clay yung camping site niyo, syempre in all other camping sites it's really gonna be a different terrain. May times kapag beach, sandy, it also has its drawbacks. Pero pag dito yung clay, yung problem talaga is the staining kasi it's really orange. Look at my feet. See, sobrang orange na ng paa ko.
POV ko point of version correct.
What?
Point of view, bro.
Point of version.
Nice.
Alright guys, so we're gonna show you how to cook fried rice in adverse situations or less than ideal.
Guys, check out breakfast. We have Gordon Ramsay scrambled eggs with garlic mayo ranch.
touch that.
Yeah, it's cold.
Touch it.
Hot dog.
Guys, para mas masarap, always remember to translucenizing things your onion. Or in English, wait for it to get translucent. Become translucent rather. Lagyan natin ng butter because butter is life. Butter is better, guys. Unless you're very conscious with butter. Make sure na mag-translucent yung onions, and then if makaya, medyo tostado na yung onions or what we call toasted. A little bit brown. May browning na of the onions. So that there's a little bit of that caramelization. Oh my gosh, munti ka nahulog, guys. Hello. 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 Hello.
Bakit yan niluto?
Garlic powder. Not too much kasi magpait yan. Salt. Dyan kasi maraming rice.
Ayaw na kayo sa ipa.
Alright guys, so just finished having lunch. We're gonna start packing up. Pero magsistay pa kami up to around maybe 2. Kasi the owners of the place are gonna use the place already. But na kami, we're gonna start packing up a bit. Or jure.
Mag-ut sa gitag.
Suwat sibuyas. Mo. Yan ang shop.
Wala manggit kasi. Ang loy. Sa kalabot. Yan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you don't miss an upload. Your support goes a long way in helping me make more videos like this, so thank you.